Hello friends, welcome to my Quiz Partner YouTube channel. If you are the first viewer, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos. In this video, I am going to start the concept called number system and its introduction. Numbers play a crucial role in our daily lives, from counting objects to performing complex calculations. To make sense of different types of numbers, we categorize them into a structured system called the number system. And this is the definition of the number system. A number system is a way to represent and express numbers in a consistent manner. It consists of a set of numbers and the operations that can be performed on them. The most common number system used in mathematics is the decimal system. The types of the numbers are as follows: natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers. Let's begin with natural numbers. These are the numbers we use for counting, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Since they are used for counting objects, they do not include 0 or any negative numbers. And the definition of natural numbers is as follows: natural numbers, the set of all positive counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does not include 0 and negative numbers. Next, we have whole numbers. These are just like natural numbers, but with the addition of 0. So, the set of whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, and continues indefinitely. And the definition of whole number is as follows: whole numbers, the set of all natural numbers including 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No negative numbers or fractions. Now, if we extend whole numbers to include negative values, we get integers. Integers consist of negative numbers, 0, and positive numbers. So, the set of integers looks like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Integers help us represent losses, deaths, and temperatures below 0. The definition of integers is as follows: the set of all whole numbers, including their negative counterparts, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Going further, we have rational numbers. These are numbers that can be written in the form of p divided by q, where both p and q are integers, and q is not 0. Rational numbers include fractions and decimals, such as 1/2, 3/4, 0.5, -2.25, and repeating decimals like 0.333, 1/3. The definition of rational numbers is as follows: any number that can be expressed as p divided by q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal 0. Includes terminating in repeating decimals. For example, 1/2 equals 0.5, 1/3 equals 0.333. Now, let's classify numbers based on their divisibility. Even numbers. Even numbers are those that can be evenly divided by 2. For example, -4, 0, 2, 6, 10, and so on. Odd numbers. Odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided evenly by 2. These include -3, 1, 5, 7, 9. And the definition is: even numbers, numbers divisible by 2. For example, -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Odd numbers, numbers not divisible by 2. For example, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5. Among the natural numbers, we also have prime numbers. These are numbers greater than 1, that have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. Examples include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Interestingly, 2 is the only even prime number, because all other even numbers are divisible by more than just 1 in itself. On the other hand, we have composite numbers. These are numbers that have more than two factors. For example, 4 is composite because its factors are 1, 2, and 4. Similarly, 6 has factors 1, 2, 3, and 6. It's important to note that 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor, itself. By understanding these different types of numbers, we can easily classify and work with them in mathematics and real-life applications.